Buddy, how are you all? Hope all are doing great and fantastic. So, friends, first of all, let me thank because the way you are showering love, that is really very inexplicable for me. I cannot say, I cannot thank by my words. I am just a feeling, and you can feel my words. Okay, so thank you so much for supporting me, and because of you guys, I am here to talk with all of you because before 1 month ago I was thinking that I am not improving, I cannot speak English language, I'm not able to make people realize that they can learn. I was just thinking about it, and at that moment, the way you have showered love, I support. So because of your support in this 1 month, I have crossed 1K or more than 1K subscriber. That is really very too much for me. I cannot say anything by my words. I am just feeling, and I'm just feeling, and by feeling I'm delivering my thoughts. Okay. So whenever we think that we cannot do, something happened that time. Because of that, we must take decision. We must change our decision. Okay, so that time I was about to quit this journey, and just I got your reply, I got your support that time, and your support, because of your support today I am here. So yes, always hard work pays off. Of some negativity, I was just about to quit, and because of your support, because of my hard work, I'm here again, I'm talking to you. Okay, so now let's come into the point. And if you are the one who are watching this video at the very first time, so make sure that you must subscribe this channel. Okay, because you will get series wise video. From today I'm going to give you something that will really help you out. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the video. So friends, before 1 week, or in this 1 week, last 1 week, I got so many messages of learner that, ma'am, how did you learn English language? And you always say that you have just practiced 2 months and you just improved this much. So please suggest us that how did you learn English language, and how can we learn English language? So I got this kind of question a lot. So I was thinking that, and still I'm thinking, not still I'm thinking, I have decided. Okay, so what I have decided, I'm going to tell you. So it's obvious that we have started our learning journey. So first, in the starting of our journey, we get confused a lot of time. Okay, and just we think that what we have to learn first, how can we learn, how can we reach in advanced level, how can I pass my beginning level, like how can I go into the intermediate level. So this kind of question always come into our mind when we are in beginning level. Okay, and so these things happened with me also. And yes, from today I'm going to give you, and in this video I'm going to announce something for you, because the way you are showering law, that is really very inexplicable for me, and it is my responsibilities to give you something back. Okay, so friends, I have been asked this question that, ma'am, please suggest us step by step process, how can we reach on the top of this language, how can we cross, how can we pass all the step of learning English language. Please suggest us step by step process of learning English language. So yes friends, today I have brought something for you, and that is really very indispensable for you. Okay, so friends, talk about my first thing that I have taken 30 days of challenges, and in that 30 days you will get my videos every day at 5 o'clock in the evening time, and step by step I will be guiding you. Okay, I will be suggesting you that step by step how can you learn English language. From tomorrow, my after this, my next video will come tomorrow at the evening time, 8 5, and I will guide you. I will be guiding you that how can you learn English language step by step. So I will be making video step by step. First of all, we will learn about some grammar, and after that how can we practice on that thing. So how can we apply practical practice. So I will be making this kind of videos. Okay, so step by step you will be getting my videos, and that will really helpful, trust me. If you watch this 30 days series every day, so you will get to realize and you will get your improvement. Okay, because just we start our journey, and content and does not clear that time that yes, I have started my journey, and sometimes of anything, sometimes because of some negativity, because of some anything, because of anything, we start feeling that today, yesterday I did my practice, so today I must take any break, and tomorrow I will be doing my practice. So this kind of procrastination we do every day. So how I will help you how to overcome this kind of procrastination habit. In my 30 days videos, I will be guiding you how can you be a fluent English speaker, and how can you be a great person in your life, how can you realize yourself. I will be giving you some motivational or some English content video, and you will get mostly English content video, because our main target is English language. Okay, so yes friend, from today you will get step by step video. First of all, just we will cover some grammar or whatever we need for learning English language, for speaking English language. So I will try to give my best, and still I'm trying to give my best. So please try to give your best. Okay, if you are giving your time, you are giving your time to anything, whatever you are doing. Okay, just give your 100%. You are learning English language, so give your 100%. I can make mistake, I know I can make mistakes, but there you will have to find out my mistake, and you will have to compare your English with me, that ma'am is making mistake, and if ma'am is making mistake, so I'm in the beginning level, I'm trying to learn English language. So obviously yes, I will make mistake, but I will be speaking English language better than ma'am. Just compare yourself than me, and I will be guiding you. I have seen, and I have seen so many people, I have watched so many videos on YouTube channel. They are just guiding you how to learn English language, but I will be guiding you how to be a great person, how to be a great English speaker, how can you speak English language with full of modulation, how can you fluctuate your words. I will be guiding you some skill development. Okay, I will be giving you some skill development points that you will have to remember all the time whenever you try to speak. Because just we speak. Suppose that Hindi, whenever we talk in Hindi language, okay. So according to our situation, suppose that here, सपोज दैट मान लो कि अगर मैं अभी गुस्से में हूँ, ओके, तो गुस्से में जब मैं हिंदी बोलूँगी तो हिंदी में मेरा एक्सप्रेशन अलग होगा, गुस्से वाली। ओके, गुस्से वाली एक्सप्रेशन अलग, और स्माइल वाली, और खुशी वाली, और एकदम जब चौंक जाते हैं तो उसका एक्सप्रेशन अलग होता है। बट व्हेन वी स्पीक इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, सो ऑल द टाइम आवर एक्सप्रेशन इज सेम। Okay, so how can you change according the situation? I will be guiding you. It's very important to grab the people, it's very important to mesmerize the people's mind. Okay, so just keep these things in your mind, that you do not have to learn English language, you will have to learn English language with full of modulation, that you help in the future for mesmerizing people, for grabbing people. Okay, so I think that you have learned something from this video, you got my main message, and from tomorrow you will get my next video all the time, every day. Wait my videos from tomorrow in the evening time at 5 p.m. Every day I will make video for you, and how can you change your development, how can you increase your self development, because self development is very important. As well as I will be guiding you some body language tips that you can apply. And yes friends, from tomorrow and from today is gonna be wow. So just keep practicing, keep focusing on your words. Okay, just keep focusing on your journey and see the drastic change. And I am challenging you that if you watch my 30 days videos, so in 31 day you will see the drastic change, you will see improvement on yourself. Okay, so friends, meet in the next video. From tomorrow's video I will be guiding you something, and just try and just ready for that video. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, keep practicing, keep learning, have a great day. Bye bye.